for those who are new to my channel, I am simplikeii. So really quick, I came to bring y'all some hair, honey. She's an oldie, but she's a goodie, and she has become one of my faves. This is some real glam type hair. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I am talking about Freetress equals Letty, honey. And I have her in a number 4, although I did get her in multiple colors. This is, let me situate y'all. This is the color that I'm gonna be showing you guys in this video. Now, this is a full cap wig with lace parting. It does come with 2 combs here, a comb in the back, as well as your standard adjustable straps. There's, like I said, there's no lace to cut. This is a full cap wig. Now, what I will tell you is, I haven't plucked the part yet. I just went in there with some concealer. I kind of wanted to give her to you as she was. I didn't want to do too much to her. Now, this is a long wig because it is way past my boobs. The texture is a yaki type texture. It's really nice. This is a really full type wig. I've seen a lot of people comb her out and brush her out. I have not done that yet. She does come with baby hairs as well, so I might do something with those baby hairs. I don't know, we'll see. But I did know that she comes with baby hairs. I just really don't do baby hairs. So this is how I'm gonna rock her for right now. And if you want the curls to kind of clump back and form together, just kind of run it together. Like I said, this is some really pretty glam hair. I really like this hair. I hope they make this a lace front, because I see a lot of the wigs that they know everybody really like, they bring them back and they make them a lace front. This would be really nice as a lace front. So let's see. Guess I want that together like that. I haven't received any shedding, and I think because it's not a lace front, so there's no lace to cut, so you don't really get no shedding. Not to say that this won't shed, but I haven't gotten any shedding. I haven't gotten any tangles. This is what the ends look like on the wig. This is just some of the hair to the front. Let me see if I can. This is the hair to the back. Hopefully y'all can see that. I hope y'all can see that. But that's the hair to the back. And that's how it looks to the back. Let's see if I can show y'all all the hair to the front. This is the hair to the front. So what I'm gonna do, because I want y'all to get a really good look at this hair. A lot of people don't do that. They just give you this head shot, but they don't show you the hair in its full form. So I'm gonna bring the camera upwards so you can see the hair. So just bear with me for a second. Okay, so bring y'all back. This is what the hair is looking like. Really pretty, really glam. I'm loving the waves. I think it's really pretty. I think the texture is really pretty. I think this is, I decided that this hair was gonna be my birthday hair. Now what color I'm gonna wear when I wear it as my birthday hair is, I don't know. But this is definitely gonna be my birthday hair. This is very pretty. And like I said, I was gonna show y'all the back. This is the back. And as you can see, it's really full. And if I bring the hair to the front, it's tangling because I'm messing with it. This is what it looks like with all the hair to the front. It does have layers. Put it back how I would wear it, because I want to sell y'all this hair, but I don't want to be a liar when it comes to this hair. Because still, hey, you thinking that the hair's something that it's not. She ain't gonna do that. Okay, there. Let me put y'all back in focus. So that is like the gist of this hair. This is not a complicated wig. If you want long hair and you're looking for beginner friendly hair, this is a nice unit. Like I said, it is a full cap. I may go in there and tweeze that part just a little bit, but I didn't do anything because I wanted you to see. Yeah, I wanted you to see the fullness of the wig. I wanted you to see how the wig was done and everything. But I'm really loving this hair. Freetress Equal did really good with Letty. Let me see if I can show you guys the stock card. So this is the stock card. Even the model sold me on the hair. I just thought this was some really, really pretty hair. And this number 4 looks really, really good. And because it's a full cap, you know, you don't have that old flat type hairline, and I think that's still okay with this hair, considering the fact that this is a full cap wig. I think it does its own thing, and it's perfect just the way it is. Sometimes you just don't want to cut the lace, and in my instance, I ain't want to cut the lace, so yeah. But I'm loving this unit. Like, I got this unit in so many colors that it's not even funny, because I knew that when I got it, it was going to be bomb. And sometimes I'm pretty good about picking out a unit and knowing when a unit's gonna be like really, really bomb. And I knew this one right here was gonna be everything. I just love that texture. That texture is so pretty. And I love the curls, how they form, the waves and everything. So yeah, if you're interested in Letty, I got her from Go Beauty New York, but she's on all the major websites: Wig Types, Elevated Styles, Sam's Beauty, Freetress, ŁaڳᎬᎬᎬ. She's on all the major websites, so you can go check her out. You will love this unit. Definitely go pick it up. I'm finna get out of here. Remember, if nobody told you you're beautiful, remember, simply key will always tell you you're beautiful, because you simply are. And I will see you guys in our next video. Peace.